We've been working on this for a year, and our mission was to, you know, the world needs to be a better place.
There you are.
Yeah. It's so easy to make someone's day or to make someone's life, and you could change a lot, or you could just change a moment, a vibration, like you say.
That's that spark. It's like you ignite a spark in them. It's something that they already have, but you just remind them.
Well, sometimes it's pushed down, and it's pushed down from bullying and society and politics, but you're right, it's a spark, it's a moment to go, here, I know it's in there, boom, boom, you're special, you're somebody, I care about you.
And you matter.
Know, you matter. You matter.
I see you.
See ya.
Matter.
Boom. Right. Yeah.
And it's that
Give that back, please. This is my St. Amos.
That's your St. Amos.